Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. And on today's show, we're featuring butternut squash. What are we making today?
I'm going to make a little butternut squash soup, a little goat cheese croquette.
Okay, well, I'll let you get started.
Okay.
And we're going to go over here and make some puree.
Sounds Wonderful.
Good. Take a casserole dish and fill it with about an inch of water. You're going to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. Slice your butternut squash in half. So we're just going to scoop out the seeds. We won't go so fancy because we've got some already made. So you're going to stick this in the oven and cook it for about 50 minutes until the skin puckers a little bit, and then it's ready to take out cool, and then you can scoop out. So these are finished butternut squash, and you can just scoop out the center and put it right inside the food processor. So Chef Feury, what are we doing over here?
We have shallots, leeks, and the butternut squash. Pretty simple recipe. So just saute them out, and then after that, we're going to throw in the liquid, and then we'll throw in the butternut squash.
How long does the soup take to cook?
The size of what you cut it cuts down the cooking time. So this takes about 7 minutes or so.
And we're going to check on Dr. Taverna Miller over here. That looks great. And then you can use water or breast milk. All right, so why don't we start pureeing this up? And you're going to fill these little pouches. So let's check in with Chef.
So this is just actually, I just breaded. This is the goat cheese.
So do you just put it right directly into the oil?
Yep.
I mean, and as your children get older, they can have some of this soup as well. It's basically just pureed vegetable.
That's a little fun in the middle.
Oh my, this is delicious. And that looked really easy. I mean, we made that in about 10 minutes.
Yep.
Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.